We got 8 spider systems here going in. A spider system consists of a MaxWell Plus system with a MaxWell Type 4, all tied together with 4-inch pipe. The hole depths on these are 130 feet deep to reach 10 feet of permeable soil. We got about 10 days of drilling, and then also we'll do 10 days of building, so a duration of 20 working days. So right now, we have our Soil Mech SR30 setting on an actual dry well. He's down about 25 feet deep with his 4-foot auger. He'll run that down to 130 feet deep to bid depth, and then that'll finish the hole. But in these soil conditions, to get down to the 10 feet of permeable, we want to go down to 130 feet deep, so we know that our dry wells will perform best as soon as the storm captures are installed. Typically, we change out the augers. We start with our 6-foot auger. We run it down about 20 feet deep for our settling chambers, and then we'll switch out to the 4-foot auger to run it down to permeable material. Actually, the difference would be the larger auger is actually made so it fits our precast material inside, and then we run down to a smaller auger, and that stops the precast material from subsiding. Makes like a ream is what we call it, like a lip. So if the soils were to collapse, it would only, it would only shift the dry wells minimal. We don't want any subsidences in the ground as the product sits here for years. We want to build these MaxWell Plus systems to last for 100+ years.